actually got the one I wanted.
Alright, hello everybody. We're doing today we're doing the Pizza Tower video. Finally. Yes, finally. The Pizza Tower video. It is here. It is so pizzaful, so towerful. It's
No
yeah,
news.
Laz is here.
Hello, it's me. I'm Lazion. I'm here, I guess.
We're doing floor one.
You might see me post random stuff. I have
That
one. I have one thing that I was gonna share to Nightmare Tangle before you started recording,
oh sorry.
but I think I could share it now.
Go ahead.
Right now.
Huh?
Hold on. Let me type up. Let me type up something.
Okay.
Two things I need to type up.
Alright, all that 2 portals unlocked. Now, so I may have one mod.
What is the fear of the Lord?
Alright. There may be one mod in the Pizza Tower video, but it's nothing too much. Just a good old
Oh, that's I was doing something completely different. Um, the noise is here.
the noise update.
The noise update, if it was good.
For real. The noise update if it was good. Oh my they're in the walls. They're in the wall. Did I just hit one noise into another? This is anyways, yeah, this is the Pizza Tower video. We're gonna be doing all of floor one. It's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna be great. Amazing. Look at them. Look at them.
All of the noise. Pretty soon it'll be called the megaphone.
Ripple noise hit. My combo.
Noise can hit you 3 times. I'm not sure if you'd be able to get a P rank on this.
I mean, you can keep your combo by hitting the noises. I want to actually try and kill one of them. I want to try and kill one of them. I want to kill one of the noises. This one is my target. No, don't tell me. Did he go in the ceiling? Why do they keep going in the ceiling? Why do they keep going in the ceiling? I'm tired of... This is so noisy. Pizza Tower if it was good. long-awaited Pizza Tower video is here, and it is beautiful, isn't it? Do you think I'm gonna be disappointing anyone with this?
Probably not. I mean, like...
I mean, it's beautiful. How would anyone be disappointed by this peak? Should I go for lap 2? Should I do lap 2 on all these?
If you want to.
I'm gonna.
Oh, and don't worry, that ping sound was not from your guys' end. I'm just saying that to the viewers.
Okay. Oh,
Even though
shit.
they probably all check their Discord.
Die! I want them all dead.
I don't think you can. There's too many of them.
I don't care.
Isolation. Dude, I don't think you'll be able to make lap 2.
You know what? Yeah. But honestly, I don't care about thoughts. Thoughts are for lamos and you.
Freezing.
I could have made it past, damn it.
I think that noise deliberately stalled you.
I'm making it, damn it!
Are you sure?
I'm gonna do.
You got 8 seconds.
Yeah, well, this is the hardest room in the.
Well, showtime.
That was right there. So I go, Sonic, I will murder you.
Hardest room proceeds to die in the next one.
You know, I'm just gonna kill this guy. That one specifically.
I'm pretty sure the noises would want to kill you.
I think he's gone. I got rid of him.
The other guy's gone. Tim's gone. Oh wait, never mind.
He saved himself.
The
All right, that's 3. That's 3. They can't break.
But you can. Everything's just going wrong for you, isn't it?
Oh well.
Full health! And he's gone.
I can just. I got that one. Okay, both of them took 1 damage. 2. 3. 4.
Why did we have to do that to us right before?
5. 6. 7. Can I do it? Let's go! They're ganging up on me! I just want to kill one noise, and this video will be, and then I'll be. What the fuck? Oh.
And then you'll be the pizza tower you were always meant to be. I think that's the wrong noise.
No, it's not.
Never mind.
Come on. What was the plan there?
to I guess just mess around.
Make some noise, maybe?
Yeah. To make some noise.
Damn, Damn it. Alright, that one is officially stuck. Come on. It's just you and me now. Let's go! We killed a noise!
Yay! The noise is dead! It only took you 11 minutes! All that, while noise has a fit in the corner.
Wait,
You killed him!
if I kill one of them in the room, then all of them despawn? We killed two noises! This is beautiful! The Pizza Tower video is truly complete.
Give me a second.
Alright. The flock. Alright. Oh, hey! One of the noises actually helps me. It's beautiful. This is Pizza Tower full. The air raid. What was the air raid, bro? Alright, we're doing all floor 1 levels, all secrets, all lap 2s, because I'll stop being caught up on killing noises now that I've actually done it. What the fuck?
It's time to have some fun with Uncle Samson. Ah!
This is not the noise anymore, this is the audio frequency.
This is the ear.
This is the earphone.
This is the tinnitus. My ears are constantly not ringing.
We're doing all lap 2s, all secrets, and all treasures, by the way. Plus all toppings.
Oh. Oh, great. Especially on this one. Are we gonna be stuck at John's gutter?
No.
I feel like we are.
No, I'm not going to be caught up in killing any more noises now, since I already did that.
We're gonna be stuck forever, aren't we?
Mm-mm.
I'm gonna go insane. She's gonna come out again. And we're just gonna keep doing this ad infinitum.
Is that a word?
I think. The noise button must return. Showtime.
Prepare to be silenced. Look at that. Told you. I told you we wouldn't be stuck on John Gutter.
I thought you said all P ranks.
I said all lap 2s, all toppings, and all treasures. Well, all secrets too. I didn't say all P ranks.
Oh, okay.
Then we would have been stuck on John Gutter.
Sanity. That helps with sanity. Wait,
you know what else?
Is every one of them the noise?
Yeah. It's the noise update after all.
Oh god, we're gonna be stuck on every level.
Don't worry, I am for some reason extremely good at lapping ancient cheese.
But we're not on ancient cheese.
I know. It's just usually said to be one of the harder laps, but look at that. Yeah. Try and hurt me now. Try and hurt me now, huh? Try and hurt me now. That's right. That's right. Out of here with that shit.
This one won't be so bad. I hope.
Look at that. Boom. Wait, is that last secret impossible? Because you need the pepperoni goblins to turn into a ball.
Well, this might be challenge failed.
Well, then they're not getting the Pizza Tower video if that's the case. Because this is the Pizza Tower video.
And if you're watching this on YouTube,
Wait, the noises killed themselves!
Perfect.
So now I have a combo of 6.
7.
This secret is just balls easy. I think that's the expression.
10.
Tinnitus.
Time to run, Peppino. Run away from the noise.
Beanie Sketty. Pino Sketty.
From the noise in your ears. No matter what you do, you can't stop them.
We actually got a... I'm gonna save that for this room. What? Oh, it only gets them to phase 2. Which means that... Wait a minute, one of them's frozen! One of them was frozen, so that made things a little easier.
I think the room resets things.
I mean, hey. It helped for the time being. That was my highest combo yet. Hole 26. What noise died?
I don't know, some of them.
Someone.
Wait, can Gustavo break her stick, actually?
I don't know, maybe.
Gotta go up there. And you gotta open the door to get the mystical
Sketty.
spaghetti. I don't suggest eating that.
You don't know where it's been.
I was more saying how long it's been.
We don't know how long it's been. They kept it!
It works! Oh, I guess because those things are meant to, like, respawn enemies, and I guess they didn't want it to be just respawning noises. So you might be getting the...
Did I go through that room damageless?
Wow. Interesting.
And we're back to getting hit multiple times, though. It was fun while it lasted.
6, 5, 4. It's time.
We have no detours left. Just gotta get out.
Gotta do run. Hope you don't want to file a noise complaint. That sounds like something that Lavender 999 would name the video. With 7.
You got this.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Showtime.
I don't care if we got an A rank. We still did everything we set out to do.
Very nice.
We got all the secrets, all the top-ins, the treasure. Alright, the noise update's going strong. 35 damage. I want to check our damage counter by the end of this.
Wait, hold on, check. Oh, wait.
Huh? I want to save the boss for last in case something absurd is there.
Yeah.
Looks like the noises love killing themselves. The noises love killing themselves.
I think we might need to get Noise on a suicide helpline. Noise that's scared.
He just bounced off of a one wall and started shaking it.
He wants its cash.
I mean, make your bag, bro. I'm not gonna. I mean, make your bread, but like, come on. There's non-adults watching this video.
What?
Never mind. The way he tried to get me even after I got the door.
Come on!
Huh? Okay. What? I.
Yeah, the noise! The noise rocket.
I'm not even gonna.
The noise birds. Flocking for mass migration. Here you could see them in their primitive flying. The blimp. Ooh, this
Noise
is gonna be different.
Wow. Damn it! Respectfully, Noise. Thank you. Respectfully, Noise. Thanks. Ooh, I've got to get that from here to... What the f...
You missed it.
Yeah, I can tell.
He's not... The basketball player league is not gonna hire you anymore. I'm sorry, Nightmare Tangle.
Oh, man.
Rewrite is there. He was there. Or just Sonic. Or God.
Oh. Crazy work.
But I guess the noises want to meet Rewrite. I didn't know they were such fans.
No.
Oh, I guess Nightmare Tangle confirmed it. They do not like Rewrite. Noise does not like Rewrite.
Damn it. What are you guys' thoughts on Garfield Kart 2? No, I'm not supposed to be saying anything political in these videos, but like, what are you guys' thoughts on Garfield Kart 2?
There's a sequel?
Yeah?
I mean... Adding the JFK cart was definitely a move. Okay, I guess that didn't do it.
I'm just confused.
Okay, then. You know what? That's better than the alternative.
What's the alternative?
Being mad or something.
I mean, I know it was a joke.
I was gonna ask something else, but then I saw your lack of reaction, so I was just like, nah. Nah, best not continue on a joke.
I told you I'm good at laughing ancient cheese.
Yeah, I guess you are. But this
Even
one
with
is
a
the
bunch of...
hardest of all.
Even gotten a taunt there.
Nice.
How many times did I even get hit? And 20? 21? 13! Damn!
Congratulations.
We've got one level left, and it's by far the hardest. Let me put on my coat, though.
The P-shirt!
I'm not putting on the PP shirt.
But I love the PP shirt!
Why do they just keep dying? What happened?
They don't want to live anymore. They want to see heaven.
Oh, silly Lazion. Noise isn't going there.
They want to see Jesus Christ.
Oh, silly Laz. Noise isn't seeing Jesus Christ.
Jesus.
Slightly cooler than average people will get that reference.
Yeah, we know. Yeah.
If you know, you know.
Want to at least try to reach for the heavens and make a deal while doing so.
Did they all just decide to leave? Oh, nope, there's some down here. But a solid few of them just chose not to show up to work that day. Did they just... The lava!
They're killing themselves in the lava!
The noises have reached their boiling point.
The ones that ran off wanted to see heaven. The others knew they were going to hell.
They embraced it. I did not know they would die in the lava. It makes sense, but like I didn't know. Bye. Dunk yourself.
It's also weird that the pogo stick has like actual like lighting.
Another one dunked itself. Oh no, wait. Me turning around saved it. You're welcome, Noise. Oh my goodness! There was 3 of them just skating towards me.
Wait, you didn't get the treasure.
I'm not skating, you know. Yeah, I'm coming back for it.
You like to play a bit dangerous.
With my sounds.
Yeah, with your sound.
My noises. I just watched one die from the corner of the screen. I just saw one end itself. It did the little screen animation too.
Yeah, he literally just wants some of the noises. We thought this level was going to be like ridiculously hard. No,
This is
most of
probably
the
the
noises.
easiest one.
Yeah, because most of the noises decided to kill themselves.
I'm not complaining. There's no enemies in this room, so this is the most lenient timer. So you know what? Nah, got a style on him. Shouldn't have styled on him.
Are you sure you want to?
Oh wait, I could have killed that guy. Damn it! What is with these guys? Why do they want me dead so bad?
They want you dead because, I mean,
Because I'm Peppino.
they've seen what you've done to their beard.
They remember the John Gutter massacre.
Yeah.
So maybe this isn't the easiest one, but it's certainly easier than Pete's Escape. Oh no, wait,
Yes,
John Gutter. John Gutter was the worst one. I just pushed him in!
You're literally just like, get in the lava.
Get in the lava noise. You know you want to. Go take a little dip. The water's fine. Go
The
take a.
sauce is fine.
The sauce is fine. Noise. Go take a little dip.
Ooh, bit rate.
What do you mean bitrate? Never heard of it.
Your like quality just decided to.
Oh, I know what bitrate is. I was making a joke.
Okay.
Another one died. Another one bites the dust. You know what? I feel like super haunting.
Aw. Oh my god!
Ah, yes, the noises mating dance. Quite the lovely sight. They tend to do it at this time of year.
In like June.
Yeah, that's the noise mating season. They will have a bomb throwing competition, and the loser will become a noisette.
Oh. Wait, would I become? No.
This might be a little close, but I think I can get it.
What?
I might be cutting it a little close here in terms of time, but I think I could win. Ow. No, he did the thing!
10, 9, 8, 7.
I've clutched up a blood sauce before, and I'll do it again.
2, 1.
What the fuck?
I'm not even sure if my mic actually picked up the laugh.
It did. I heard. Fine, I'll do the PP shirt. For this one attempt.
Yes! The PP shirt! We both like the what the hell happened?
Who keeps pinging me? I'm going to... I'm going to commit heinous... Who keeps pinging me? I'm going to commit heinous crimes against the prize counter.
Hold on, let me check. Okay, I don't see anybody.
The Pizza Tower video is... No, I'm gonna name this the Pizza Tower video.
The Pizza Tower video. Hey, where's Toy Frisk?
Uh-huh.
Did I try to get him out?
Uh-uh.
What if I do?
Uh-huh.
Very good kidnapper. Ah!
What the fuck?
The noise is mating dance! The noise mating dance stopped you!
I'm just getting out of the way this time. Just gonna get it out of the way. Is the PP shirt the good luck charm we needed? Are they all just gonna... Oh, no, wait, one of them didn't. See, a couple... The mating dance. The mating dance!
Yes. They're prospering!
A group of noises. A group of noises is called a cacophony.
I think it'd be more accurate to call them, like, terrorism.
That is
I don't
crazy.
hear you.
That is crazy. Ah, yes, a group of noises is called a hate crime. Hey, you got past all of them this time.
Nice.
I just stood there and took it. Pause. The mating dance!
What
The
about
noises...
the other one?
The noises sure are, noises sure
What
are
about
needy this time of year.
I love how you paused at that one, except... But the other ones you just didn't pause for at all.
I like how they try and fly to the top of the room, and then they just kill themselves in the lava.
Yeah. They just decide life's not worth living.
I feel the same way, buddy. I feel the same way sometimes.
I think you need some help.
You think I need what?
Help?
When haven't I?
Therapist? Or maybe dial the suicide helpline?
Mm-mm. I just like that. The noises are so nice. Oh,
Yeah.
there goes my frame rate.
Sound.
That is...
Music to my ears. That was shockingly comedic timing. You might want to check that one. I think it might have not been. Nothing this disc.
Oh my goodness. It was the mating dance. It saved itself with the mating dance. One of them finally decided, you know, maybe I don't want to die.
Wait. I think
Yes,
that
it saved...
noise was doing the coolest mating dance I ever seen. It was doing the mating dance on top of another noise.
They were having one of their territorial battles.
A territorial battle.
Noises are extremely territorial creatures.
You can see by their groups. By their
Yes.
massive group.
There are packs of noises. Again, those being called either a cacophony or hate crime.
Or terrorism.
And off those two went to have one of their territory battles. Let me... Wait, it hit me up! It knocked me up out of the... It saved me! It saved me! Maybe they're not all bad. Maybe the noises aren't all bad.
Now it's time.
You know what?
Moment open.
I will use, what's the most yellow fit? Alright, the bowling stripe's the most yellow thing.
What about the gold?
I will brandish their this is the closest thing to the noises color scheme. I will brandish their colors as they've saved me, and I will brandish their colors as a return.
As you go to fight Pepperman.
I swear, if there's a noise in here. Okay. What if all his little summonable things are just replaced with noise?
I think that might be some foreshadowing.
I haven't actually played this mod or seen it, so I don't know. Yeah, I'm not fighting in the coward way. Aw, man.
Never mind.
Sad.
It's not easy being Pepper.
Oh, I'm goaded. I'm goaded at Pizza Tower?
The Pepperman P? The PP Man? Okay, I'll shut up.
Why?
Did you not hear what I just said?
Yeah, I heard. I just didn't feel the need to laugh.
I'm curious to everybody.
No, don't say that.
I'm sorry. I made a conveyor and sinuous lapse.
We did it! this was the Pizza Tower video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And
Yeah, it only took 47 minutes.
judging by some of my other recent videos, that's not too long at all.
Fair. And you
And
finally
finally,
did it.
to see how much damage I took. 126.
Rookie numbers.
Alright, this has been the Pizza Tower video. Let us know if you want to see any more of this beautiful game. Laz, any closing
Bye.
remarks?
Goodbye. Be sure to subscribe, like, do all the jazz, and don't do your dads.
What the